to look at we did the pound gap. We might as well now look at the yen pairs. Now there is one which is very interesting I want you to look at, which I think will pay us a lot of money, which is the Swiss yen. Look at that. Why? Because the Swiss is being capitulated, is hammered, and the yen is also kind of a strong, so therefore that's a no-brainer trade. This is part of you're doing your portfolio selection, guys. That's why it is very important to understand the premises of how to plan your trade and doing your work in the morning coming into the market. So we have seen the weakness in the Swiss, and if you look at the indices and you see that the yen is strong, then it's a no-brainer to trade the Swiss yen. You're selling the weak, which is in this case is the Swiss, and you're buying the strong, which is in this case is the yen, and you would see you'd have made 6 yen or 600 pips in 3 days on this trade. So is this thing going to continue? Well, take a look at the daily chart, and that's another no-brainer trade. Why? Because you have a structure point right there, which is 98.27. It closed the week at 98.48, which is about 10 pips above the structure point. So no-brainer trade. Go short below 98.27. It is your structure short 98.27, and of course it will be your short stop, right? And on the long side, and you can see when you identify structure points and the first time you have it. Now on the long side, where will I buy it? Well, there isn't really much signal, buy signal, but of course we have to do our homework. On the buy signal, I mean, we might get like a short covering somewhere around the 100 yen. So we'll buy it, again scalping above the 100. We're going to put the stop below 99.32. So we're going to buy above the 100, and we are going to place our stop below 99, which is the market side, 32, and my structure long to the upside is nothing but air above that. So I'm just going to make it the structure long as 105. Okay, and that is the Swiss yen. We're going to buy the Swiss yen above the 100. And if we do, we've got the structure point at 105, but we're more inclined to short it below 98.27 because it closed at 98.45, and your structure short is the 98.27, and if you do, your stop is also the 98.27. Okay, that is the Swiss yen.